Welcome to Easy Car Wash Company. We come to your location. Our services: pressure washing, vacuum cleaning, clean AC filter, clean air filter, ring polish with special liquid, tire shining, air check and refill, car polishing, waxing, car seat cleaning, air freshener, and many more. Our extra services: boat wash, clean, motorcycle wash, cycle wash, cleaning and polishing. Special discount for families. Call us, we will arrive at your home steps. 050 4115 097 055 760 9577, or send us email easycarwash247@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.